Mega love shout out everyone. This is me, Mom Shawie Vlog at your service, Charlotte. So guys, aside from the mug, the lotion, I also received this Love Local from Bench. So I want to shout out the giver of this one, our future Miss Canada. So thank you very much, Miss Canada, Miss July Joyce. I don't know her surname. But anyway, thank you very much, Miss Canada, for this blessing. Thank you very much for giving this to Mom Shawie Vlog. I am so excited. You know, Mom July. I know July. You know, Mom Miss Canada. My colleagues were so excited to know what's the content of this one. But I didn't use it. I didn't open it. I didn't allow this to open this. And it's time. Shout out to Ma'am Gaisel. So Ma'am Gaisel, this is the content of their present from Miss Canada. So are you excited, Ma'am Gaisel? Thank you very much, Miss Canada, for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Miss Future Canada. Thank you very much. Are you all excited? Are you all excited as me? Oh, yeah. Wow, guys, I will be using this when I will be on my vacation this coming. Thank you, Miss Canada, for this. Wow. Uy, ang dami. Uy! Ang dami. Thank you very much once again, Miss Canada. Uy, may gid. Ooh. Ha 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 ha. Thank you very much. Wow. I will be using this tomorrow for our yearly Eastern banding. Wow, thank you very much. Hala. Oh, see guys, I'm so sexy. Thank you very much, Miss Canada. And we also have here, oh, I thought it's just a piece, but 3-piece. Wow. Wowee. So, paano pa ito? Okay. Uy, isa lang strap. Wow, ganito. Where's the other? Okay. Ganito pala, guys. That's it. Wow. Thank you very much, Miss Canada. And the other one is the shorts. Thank you very much once again, Miss Canada, for all of these blessings. Thank you once again. More power po, and good luck on your next journey. So, love you and take care always po. Thank you very much for the blessings, and thank you very much for the friendship you have extended to Ma'am Shawie Vlog and with our BFF. So thank you very much. Good luck again on your new journey. Mabuhay and more power. Thank you.